I've spent the last 2 years developing, identifying, knowing about, becoming part of, in small ways in some instances, different communities where people are learning how to actually practice and develop language around respectful, liberation-minded parenting. I want to share some of those experiences with you. I want to share the ways that we're developing our own patois, our own co-creation of shared meaning, coming from various backgrounds as adults, as children, as people navigating various margins. The ways that liberation-minded parenting looks for us is different, and we need wording for it. And I'm going to tie in Patois, as I know it as a Jamaican, as part of the mix and show the parallels between developing language and developing liberation-minded parenting practices. Join me, use the apply link on this page, and I will see you on the webinar.